Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tezip, sir, my dear students. I hope you all are no. So today, my dear students, we are going to learn our new chapter. But before starting our new chapter, we have a left exercise number 9. What we have left, my dear students? Exercise number 9B. So exercise number 9D is not 9D is no need to performing in our textbook, in our fair book also. Okay, so just I am giving here demo. Okay, so now first of all let's check here today's quote, and then after we will move on further, dear. So let's check here, my dear. So today's quote is what? Today's quote is, the best revenge is the improve yourself. And this quote is given by Hazrat Imam Ali al-Islam. Okay, my dear students, the best revenge is to improve yourself. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? So now let's check here what we are going to learn today. My dear students, it's the yesterday's topic is what? Using a patterns to make a chord. What, my dear students? Using a pattern to make a chord. Again I repeat, this is for you, my dear students. This message use a code using a pattern given below. Complete the patterns to track the code and find the words. How we will find? See, this is an example for you, my dear students. What? This is example for you. So it's very important for us, my dear students. What, dear? This is all things very important for us. Understood, all of you, what I am telling you? This message use a code using a pattern given below. Complete the pattern to track the code and find the word. What we have to do? We have to check all things. Okay, see, this is HNE. What? HNE? HNE is word. Okay, and 59, 23, 23 and 29 is the all code. So this is code word language, and we have others in other meaning we have to say using a patterns to make a chord. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here, I hope you all are understood. Again I repeat the question number 1. This message, see, this is message HE. This message use a code, using a code. See, this is code. In code is the number or digit will come there. Okay, pattern given below. Complete the pattern to track the code and find the words. What we have to find, my dear students? We have to find the code word. Okay, first of all we have a code. Okay, we have a code means we have a digit. So what we have to going to find? We are going to find a word HE23. In which word is coming we don't know. So that time we are going to find, my dear students. Understood? A, B, C, D, E, F, A to Z till A to Z. So see, my dear students, here is the odd number. Okay, even, not even, here is the odd number, odd series number. Got my points, my dear students? See, you first of all, what you have to going to write? You are going to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q to till a Z. Okay, and here, my dear students, see, this is 1, 3, 5, 7. Means we have to take the 3 difference. Okay, 7, 9, 11, 30, 15. Here is the 18, then after 21, 24, 27, and then after 30. Okay, till to Z, my dear students. Got my point? So we have to write these all things in our book. Okay, this is the first question. Here we have a done. Now for the, my dear students, let's check a B. So what is B? This message is use a different code, complete the pattern and find the word. What, my dear students? This message is use a different code, complete the pattern and find the word. What we have to find? We are going to find all things. See, this message is use a different code. What, my dear students? Means we have to use a different code. Okay, and complete the patterns and find the word. So here is the code is what? TLLW and YBV. Okay, and word is what? G. T for G and B for Y. So how this is possible? So see my dear students, here this A to Z, it started from a straight side, and here is started to Z to A, Y to B, X to C, till to A to Z, means opposite side. First is the correct side, means right side, and down side is the left side. Okay, means we have to make the patterns as like that. It's very important for us, my dear students. What? It is a very important for us. This is a code word. Okay, got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here, my dear students. Now we will move on further, dear. Second, now further we will move on exercise number 9D. What, my dear students? Exercise number 9D. Exercise number 9D. Read the message using the first code. Okay, my dear students. So what is the first question? Question number 1 is what, my dear students? 45. So now here we are going to check. See, my dear students, 45. So 45 is which is coming here. See, my dear students, here see 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. 42 and 45, it's U. So let's check here, my dear students. Its word is coming here, U. Which word is coming here? Is coming a what, my dear students? Here it's coming a U. Okay, got my points, my dear students? So first answer is U. Understood? This is a U. Then after a 9. So let's check here. Second question. See, this is a second question. Okay, and it's a 9. So 9, what we have mentioned? A 9. See, 9, it's E. Okay, so we have to write the E. So what should we are going to write, my dear students? E. Okay, so we are going to write here E. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you. Then after question number 3 is a 23. Okay, my dear students, it's a 23. So let's check here the 23. Where is the 23? 23 is not coming. 24. Okay, my dear students, it's a 24. 23. See, here is 23. It's not a 23 actually. Okay, means we have to mention K there. What? Further digit K. So here, my dear students, I am going to share. Okay, got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here. Then after again is a 23, means K. So here is same is K. Then after, my dear students, 7. See, here is the 7. So now we will going to move on further. Check the 7. 7 is where? D. So we are going to write a 7, means D. What, my dear students? What we are going to mention? Here we are going to mention a 7. It's D. Okay, it's a code word language. Okay, my dear students, got my points? What I am telling you here. Then after, my dear students, then after is a 29. Okay, 29. So let's check here the 29. 29. Understood? See, here is 29. So I'm going to check a 29. Okay, 29 means a M. See here the code 29. So what we are going to write, my dear students? 29. So it's N. Okay, so I'm going to write here the N. Okay, so last 27 and 9 I'll give you as a form of homework. Okay, it's a code word. It is the code, first code. Got my points? Now we will move on further. The question number 2. This all question you have to do at your home, your own self. Okay, read the message using the first code, and then after, my dear students, you have to send me in my personal WhatsApp. Understood? Okay, so read the message using the first code. It's we have done. Write the using the first code. Okay, so we have to write the first code up. See, traffic job and plant trees. Okay, so you have to mention and write the answer here. Got my points, my dear students? Then after, my dear students, exercise number 3. Read the message using the second code. See here, GSRH, RH, UFM. Okay, and this question number 1 and 2, you have to solve both questions. You have to solve both questions. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Now, my dear students, we will move on further. Question number 4. We are going to learn question number 4. But no need to perform a question number 4. Directly we move on, my dear students, our new chapter. Okay. So what is the name of a new chapter? Our new chapter name is measurement. What, my dear students? What is the name of new chapter? New chapter name is measurement. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, our new chapter name is measurement. Okay, MEASUREMENT. Measurement, my dear. So now further we will move on. We move on, my dear, our session. Okay, so first of all is what? Measurement of length. First topic is measurement of length. Is very important for us, my dear students. This point we have to keep it in mind. And also whenever we are going to learn, so that time you are going to memorize with this topic. Okay, so first of all let's check, my dear students, what is the measurement of length, and then we will check the questions. So, my dear students, now let's move on our topic, measurement of length. What, my dear students? Measurement of length. So we use a centimeter. Okay, we use a centimeter for cm. Okay, first of all c and m means centimeter. It is very important for us. Centimeter is what, my dear students? Centimeter is very important for us. Understood all what I am telling you here? Okay, this is the most important things for us, centimeter. Then after, my dear students, we use the centimeter to measure a small length and meter to m for bigger length. Okay, meter. What is the meter? Okay, dear, we are going to write the meter for any big length. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. We use a centimeter to measure a small length and a meter m for bigger lengths. We use kilometers. What we use? We use a kilometer for a measure the even long length, like a distance from. We are going to measure the small things, so that time we are using the centimeter. If we are going to measure a long, means a bigger length, so at that time we are going to use which things? That time we are going to use, my dear students, a meter. And my dear students, and then further, if we have very long length, distance, so that time we are going to use which unit? Kilometer. Okay, that time we are going to use kilometer. Understood, my dear students? What I am telling you, understood? Okay, and this concept you have already learned in the 3rd standard. Okay, so now see, this is a table. 1 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Again I repeat, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then after, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So what we have to do? We have to memorize these things. Okay, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. But my points, my dear students, again I am telling you, 1000 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 centimeter is equal to what? 1 meter. So again I repeat, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, so now with the basis of this information, we are going to learn first FB. Means question number 1, FB means fill in the blanks with the help of centimeter, meter or kilometer. Okay, now you got the idea. Okay, if we have a small distance, so that time we are going to use a unit, centimeter unit, and we have a bigger length, so that time we are going to use a meter unit. And if we have a long length, like distance from one place to another place, so that time we are going to use kilometer unit. Got my point? So now I'm going to start. First is filling the blanks with the centimeter, meter or kilometer. Okay, my dear students, is the what we are going to check. You have any idea? Okay, so it is chapter name is measurement, chapter number 10. Understood all? Then my dear students, the height of the source bottle. So height of the source bottle means it's not a long pit, one floor, a second floor. Okay, so it's what, my dear students, it's not a large one, two, it's a small distance. So that time what we are going to apply here, we are going to apply a semi-centimeter. Okay, my dear students, so I am writing here the answer, semi-centimeter. Then after, my dear student, second, the length of wall behind the school building. Okay, means we have to check the length of what, length of the wall, and its wall is behind the where. Okay, the length of wall behind the where but school building. Okay, so it's coming in a meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. So what we are going to mention, we are going to mention that type meter. Understood here? That time we are going to apply here meter. Then after, my dear students, further is what? Further, the distance, what, my dear students, the distance from home to airport. See, the distance from home to airport means we are, whenever we are leave, okay, that to our airport. So what to do, my dear students, if we are going to home to airport, so that time what we are going to do, that time we are measure the kilometer. Okay, that time we are preferring the which unit, my dear students, that time we are prefer the kilometer. Okay, my dear, got my points what I am telling you here. Okay, so answer is kilometer. Understood? Then after, my dear students, then after further question, we have to check the question number D, the width of shirt button. What we have to check? We have to check here the width of shirt button. So it's the very small. Okay, and very small distance, we are going to measure a small distance in which unit? Centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? We are going to use a centimeter that time, so I am writing here the centimeter. Okay, dear, so answer is what? Semi. Again I repeat, my dear students, question number 1, measurement of the length. Fill in the blanks. The height of sauce bottle 15 centimeter. The length of wall behind the school is 40 meter. The distance from home to airport 17 kilometer. And the width of shirt button is 1 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now I am going to move on further. Second question. So let's check, my dear students, what is the second question. These are the 3 important ideas in our plan to save the planet. Measure the length of each word, means this word: reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. So this all save the planet. Okay, these all ideas and save, and it's a save to our planet. So we have to measure the length of each word. Remember to start from a 0 mark. find the length to the closer centimeter or 1.5 centimeter, my dear students. So I hope you have a textbook. So my dear students, what we have to do, we have a 3 words. How many words? 3 words. Okay, which word? Reduce, reuse and recycle. See, this is word. Reduce, reuse, recycle. So what we have to do, we have to find the length of these all 3 words. Okay, and how we will got the answer? We will got the answer in centimeter or in 1.5 or 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so you have to write in your rough book first of all these all words. First of all you write the reduce in your book, then after you measure the length with the help of the scale. Okay, ruler, you have a ruler, my dear students, at your home. So you take the ruler and first of all you write the word as like that in double handwriting, reduce. Okay, and you have to underline this word and you have to measure, and we have to measure these underlining lines and how many centimeter of lines. Okay, so my dear students, I think you have to must be try, not I think, you have to mandatory or must be try this. First of all you write the double handwriting in a reduced word and then you have to measure. Okay, about how many centimeter? So about it's a 2.5. Okay, 2.5, my dear students. So 2.5 means what? 2.5 centimeter, my dear students. Understood? 2.5 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, dear. 2.5 centimeter. Okay, got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here. So my dear students, first reduce word and its length is what, my dear students? 2.5 centimeter. How many, my dear students? 2.5 centimeter. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? Then after reused. Okay, what is the meaning of 1.5? Okay, my dear student, so 1.5 is equal to what, my dear students? 1.5 is equal to 0.5. So only we have a mention what? 0.5. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you. Okay, it's important for us. Okay, then after a reduce, so it's a 1.5 means 1.5. Okay, 1.5 means what? 1.5. So now I am going to write here 1.5 semi. What, my dear students? Here I am going to write a 1.5 semi. Then after recycle, what, my dear students? Recycle. Okay, so it's a till to 3 centimeter. Okay, so we have to mention here what? Only 3, my dear students. So it's a 3 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, understood all? Okay, its recycle is 3 centimeter. Now we will move on further, my dear. Measuring length of the different points. What? Measuring length of different points. What, my dear students? So my dear students, what we have to do? Okay, we have to do a measuring length from a different point. Means any students will started to measuring 0 to 5, 0 to 2, okay, 0 to till 10, 0 to 2 till 12. Okay, means initial point means starting point is 0. See, this is 0. Okay, your scale is starting from 0 to till end 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10, my dear students. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, and here is different points, means a see, this is a 2. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many centimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, see here, this is a point, and what is this? See here, this is point. Okay, and what is the difference, my dear students? Got my points all? What I am telling you here? Okay, 2, here is the 2 and here is the 6. Understood all of you what I am telling you? So Sujay was trying to measure the length of his crayon with the broken ruler. So what to do, my dear students? See, okay, again I repeat, Sujay was trying to measure the length of his crayon with the broken ruler. Okay, broken ruler. Okay, we have a broken ruler, so it's not a 0 to, it's not a starting to 0. Okay, it's directly coming a 2. So what to do, my dear students? 2 to 6. So 2 to 3, 1, 3 to 4, 2, 4 to 5, 3 and 5 to 6, 4. Okay, means 2 to 6 is a how many centimeter? 4 centimeter. The broken ruler, he says his crayon is a 4 centimeter long, so 6 centimeter to 2 centimeter. How we will do, my dear students? 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2. So how many only left, my dear students? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so measure the crayon with your ruler starting from the 0 mark. He is the right. What, my dear students? He says his crayon is the 4 centimeter long and 6 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. Okay, what Suza says his crayon is 4 centimeter. So how this possible? He has a broken ruler, so he, my dear student, measure 2 to 6 centimeter of his crayon. So it's 4 centimeter. But how this is possible? We have to remove a long to means a big digit to small digit. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So how many left, my dear students? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood betterly. Okay, so with your ruler starting from 0 to mark, is he right? Okay, so my dear students, try to at your home, you have to measure 2 to 6. Okay, and you have to start at not a 2 to 6, you have to start a 0 to 4. You have to put the 0 on 2 and it's still coming in 4 is coming in 6. So it's we have to what? It means he is right. We have to check, is he right? Yes, he is right. Sujay was right. Got my points, my dear students? See, this is all example. What? You try this at your home. Measure the length, paper clip. What, my dear students? Measure the length, paper clip. See here. Okay, this is for homework, my dear students. Got my points? What I am telling you here? This whole table is in your homework. Got my points, my dear students? You have to try this and you send it me in my personal WhatsApp. Measure the length, paper clip dash centimeter, and you have to check the length of needle and you have to check the paper clip length. Got my points, my dear students? Now we will move on. And next is what? Exercise number 10A. What, my dear students? Okay, we are going to learn exercise number 10A. Do the measure, compare the lines to estimate the correct answer and circle it. The blue line is the 4 centimeter long. How long is the red line? Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? Okay, so you have to draw this line and you have to measure it. Okay, you have to draw the line and you have to measure it. So blue line is how many centimeters? See, it's a written here. The blue line is the 4 centimeter long. So how long is the red line? Okay, so means we have to check the lines. So this is a 4 centimeter is longer blue line and we have to check the red line. Okay, so how many centimeter, my dear student? It's 4 to double. 4 to double. So which digit? 80 centimeter, 8 centimeter or 12 centimeter. So it's a which, my dear students? 8 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, understood all? Okay. Then after here is the green line is the 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter long. How long is the orange line, my dear students? Okay, how long is the orange line? What, my dear students? We have to check how long a orange line. Green line is the 9 centimeter. So and then after you are going to check, my dear students. Okay, so this line is C, 8 centimeter. It's too long. 5, it's the middle, and 3. Yes, it's 3. Okay, so red means orange line is what? 3 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? Okay. So here is we have done our exercise number 10a, question number 1. What, my dear students? We have done exercise number 10a, question number 1 only. Then after, my dear students, in next session we are going to learn exercise number 10a, question number B. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you all.